Wait till you find out how your morning coffee, your kitchen spoon, and even a roll of toilet paper can make you look better than a $200 serum ever could. There are powerful beauty hacks hiding in your home right now, stuff you'd never expect. And today, I'm revealing the ones that actually work. We're talking about glowing skin, shiny hair, and soft lips, using things you already have sitting in your kitchen, your bathroom, or even your junk drawer. Some of these sound absolutely ridiculous, but they're backed by science, grandma wisdom, and TikTok drama. So keep watching till the end because the best one is literally under your butt. Not even kidding. Let's start with the first underdog, a metal spoon. Yep, just a cold metal spoon from your cutlery drawer. It's not just for soup. This thing is your new anti-puffing superhero. If you toss it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, then gently press it under your eyes, it instantly helps reduce puffiness and dark circles. Why? The cold constricts your blood vessels, making that tired, puffy look shrink right up. Bonus, it also feels amazing, especially if you've had a long night of doom scrolling. People even use the curved side to curl their lashes. No need for scary lash curlers. Wild, right? Now let's talk about honey. Not in your tea, on your face. Raw honey is basically a magic potion. It's naturally antibacterial, loaded with antioxidants, and super moisturizing. Just dab a little on dry patches or pimples and boom, you're helping to fight acne and hydrate your skin at the same time. In fact, people with eczema have reported visible improvements after using honey masks consistently. It's also a great lip treatment. Ever tried it as a lip mask overnight? Game changer. You wake up with lips that feel like they just came back from a spa retreat in Paris. No joke. Next up, green tea bags. Don't toss them out, recycle them, on your face. Used green tea bags, especially if they've been chilled, are insanely good for your skin. They're packed with tannins and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. If your eyes are red, swollen, or tired, just slap these bad boys on for 10 minutes. It's basically a budget version of those fancy gold eye patches celebrities wear, but it works just as well. Plus, green tea helps fight free radicals, which are little aging ninjas trying to break down your collagen. Shut them down with tea, literally. Now let's get into a weird one, diaper rash cream. Stay with me. Diaper rash cream, specifically the kind with zinc oxide, is one of the best kept secrets for calming irritated skin, especially if you're breaking out or have red patches. Zinc is anti-inflammatory, and it creates a protective barrier. It's why it works so well on babies' butts. And yes, it works on adult faces too. Just dab a little on problem areas overnight, and you might wake up to skin that's calmer and less angry. It's like a peace treaty for your face. All right, let's shift gears to hair. Got frizz? Static? Or just that weird thing where your hair decides to stand up like it's been electrocuted? Grab a dryer sheet. I kid you not. Rubbing a dryer sheet on your hair cuts static, tames flyaways, and even adds a bit of shine. No, you won't smell like laundry. Unless you're into that, in which case, congrats. People even wrap it around their brush and use it as they brush their hair. Simple, effective, and yes, weirdly satisfying. Speaking of weird, this next one's a little messy but totally worth it. Coffee grounds. After you brew your morning cup, don't toss those grounds. Your skin loves them. Coffee grounds make an excellent natural exfoliator, and they're packed with antioxidants and caffeine, which helps tighten and brighten your skin. Mix it with a bit of olive oil or honey, scrub gently on your face or body, and rinse. You'll feel like you just paid $90 for a fancy spa scrub, except you didn't. You just recycled your caffeine addiction into skincare. Still with me? Because now we're getting even stranger, but cooler. Toothpaste. Yep, but not just any toothpaste. The plain white kind, not the gels or the sparkly unicorn glitter stuff. White toothpaste can be used to dry out pimples. Dab a tiny amount on a breakout before bed, and it helps shrink the pimple by morning. Just be careful. It can be drying, so don't go overboard. This one's more of an emergency spot treatment. Think, oh no, I have a Zoom date in 12 hours, kind of emergency. Now get ready for a major glow up from the most boring item ever, toilet paper. Here's the deal. If you've ever run out of blotting paper or setting powder, toilet paper is your backup BFF. Just separate it into layers and press it onto oily areas. It absorbs shine without messing up your makeup. In fact, some makeup artists swear by this trick backstage during fashion shows. Who knew your bathroom MVP could double as a makeup tool? Ready for a triple threat? Grab a banana peel. Yes, the trash. Don't toss it. Rub the inside of the banana peel on your face. It sounds bananas, pun intended, but it works. It's packed with potassium, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It helps brighten your skin, calm irritation, and even reduce acne marks if used regularly. Just do it for a couple minutes, rinse off, and repeat a few times a week. Bonus, it's compostable. Eco Beauty win. Now let's address a challenge we all face. Literally. Problem. We spend so much money chasing the perfect skincare routine. Serums, creams, face rollers, jade stones, snail slime from Korea. And somehow, we still wake up looking like we got hit by a bus some days. We're constantly told we need more stuff, newer stuff, more expensive stuff. But the truth? Most of the magic is already in your home, and that's where the real beauty secrets live. Let's take it deeper. There's a reason these everyday items work. It's not magic, it's science meets common sense. A lot of products on the market just isolate ingredients that exist naturally in the things you already have. Take honey, for example. Many luxury serums boast about having natural humectants, which honey has. Coffee? It's the caffeine and antioxidants. Same as in those $70 eye creams. Green tea? That's what they put in calming toners and masks. So when you hear someone say, you get what you pay for, it's not always true in beauty. Sometimes you're just paying for packaging, marketing, and the scent of cucumber melon. Real ingredients don't need a $40 price tag to be effective. Now here's the climax. The weirdest, most oddly genius beauty hack of them all. Vaseline and cling wrap. Let's say your lips are dry. Desert level dry. Here's what you do. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline, then cover your lips with a tiny piece of cling wrap for 5 minutes. It seals in moisture like a sauna for your mouth. You'll feel ridiculous doing it, like you're marinating your lips. But when you peel it off, softest lips of your life. Better than any $25 lip mask. Same trick works on heels or elbows. Just don't use the same wrap you stored your sandwich in. And here's another goldmine, ice cubes. Plain, simple ice. Run one over your face for 30 seconds in the morning. It shrinks your pores, reduces inflammation, boosts circulation, and gives your skin a natural, glowy flush, like you just ran through a winter forest. Celebs swear by it. Models do it before photo shoots. You can even make green tea or cucumber juice ice cubes for double the benefits. So what does this all mean? It means you don't need a 17-step routine or a bathroom full of products to look and feel your best. The secret's been right in front of you. In your kitchen, your fridge, your laundry basket, even your trash. These hacks work. They're simple, affordable, and real. So the next time your skin's throwing a tantrum or your hair's acting possessed, look around before you look online. The beauty fix might be hiding in your spoon drawer, or in that old banana peel you were about to throw out. You don't need to spend big to glow big. Watch the next video popping up on screen to learn the 5 anti-aging foods hiding in your fridge right now.